Hey viewers, I am going to show you something special. Let's see. I have been waiting for this for a long time. Finally, it has arrived. So let's open it together and share the experience with you all. Tantana! So this is a soldering station. It was my long time wish, and today it's finally fulfilled. I'm very happy. Wow, the packaging looks really nice. This is the power cable, and this is the soldering iron, and it's an iron stand, and this is the main unit right here. Wow, it looks really beautiful, but it's quite heavy. It's 90 watt, so maybe that's why it's this heavy. I would have been happier if it was a bit lighter. It's okay. The cable quality is really good. This jack for connecting the iron. Wow, I really like this part. You can change the beat very easily. I was expecting a thin beat because the image shows as thin one and there were no beat related specification mentioned, but it came with this thick beat instead. I also like this big LCD display. I will try to share a working video of it with you soon. Thank you and bye for now.